Writing a Plagal cadence, we need to remember that this goes from chord 4 to chord 1. We're in G major at the moment, so chord 1 will be G, B and D. Chord 4 will start on the 4th note of the G major scale, so it'll be C, E and G. We're going to double the root in each of these chords, so we have a 4-note chord. And our first rule is that we put the bass note as the root of the chord. All of these cadences will always be in root position, so we need to make sure that we have the correct notes to start with. So this is going from a C to a G, and then the second rule is same note, same part. So the note that is the same in both of these chords is the G, so we'll put the G in here so that we have the same note on both. And then the third rule is move as little as possible. So if we have a look at the notes that are left, we could go from E to B and then C to D. One of them moves by step and the other one has a leap. But if we choose the other option, which goes from E to D and C to B, then both only move by step. So if we go from E to D and C to B, then we have these moving by step. Now, one of the things here that would be a better option, if you see here, we've got the top note goes down and the bottom note goes down. What we want to strive for is something called contrary motion. And this contrary motion means that one part goes up and the bottom part goes down. So this is the top part and the bottom. It could be the other way around. So the top could go down and the bottom could go up, but as long as they're both going in different directions. So we can't change the E to the D because we want it to move by step, but we can quite often change the bass note up an octave, and that will give us that contrary motion that we're looking for.